Hey, hope everyone's having a fantastic day. Today's video is staying shredded on a high sugar diet, and I'm going to share what I ate today. So I started off with this smoothie right here. This was at 1 p.m., so I fasted throughout the morning, just drank a bunch of water and did a good strength training workout, and then I made the smoothie. So keep in mind, this is a high sugar diet. I don't eat a sugar only or a carb only diet. I do have some proteins and fats, but the vast majority of my calories do come from carbohydrate and sugar. So in this smoothie, I had 1 cup of frozen blueberries, I had a half a cup of coconut water and a half a cup of almond milk. I had 1 serving of peanut butter, just all natural peanut butter. Now, if you don't want to have any fat in the diet, if you're really trying to lose weight, then you just omit the peanut butter. So I'm pretty much shredded every day of the year, so I can put a little bit of peanut butter and a little bit of fat here and there, even though the majority of my diet is carbohydrate. But if you're really trying to lose weight, you want to omit that peanut butter. And then I have 7 ripe bananas. Now I froze these, and then what I did is I thawed them in hot water for about 4 minutes, so they just slip right out of the peel, and it has a really good consistency with the smoothie when I do this. And I'd also put in the smoothie a packet of acai as well. Forgot to mention that. Blended it all up in the Vitamix, and there it is, super delicious, made just over 1 liter. Then at 3:30, I had some overnight oats. It had honey, strawberries, and bananas put on top. That was super delicious as well. Then at 6 p.m., it was time for dinner, and I started with a little appetizer. I had some pineapple and an apple to start it off. Then I finished it off at 7 p.m. with homemade broccoli vegetable soup and homemade sourdough bread, and I had seconds of both of those. So that was it. Make sure you check out my plant-based recipe ebook. It's in the description box below the video. It has a lot of great recipes that I eat and enjoy on a regular basis. Give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Subscribe for more videos. Hope everyone has a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.